Hi lovelies, if you wanna know how I prepared this yummy beans porridge using ripe plantain, stay tuned and keep watching, and make sure to watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. Today guys, we'll be making beans porridge with plantain. So stay tuned. Let me introduce you to the ingredients we are going to be using to prepare this beans porridge with ripe plantain. As you can see, I have some ripe plantain here, so I'll be using some here to prepare my beans porridge. We'll be using this tray to prepare the beans porridge. So let's get right into the video. Over here is the beans I will be using, black-eyed beans. This has been soaking for almost 1 hour to quicken the cooking process, because I will be using ordinary pots to cook it. But if you be using pressure pot, no need to soak it. So now I've taken out the water. I'll be washing it with a clean water. Then after that, I will transfer it to a cooking pot. Now I will add water to the beans. I will be using this water to parboil it. If you are the type that do have bloating problems after eating beans, make sure you try out this method. This will reduce or stop you from getting bloated after eating beans. Now is 10 minutes and I will take off the water, rinse out the beans and start cooking it again. So I would like to use this time to thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, you are highly appreciated. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. Also turn on your bell notification to all, so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. After washing and adding the water, I will start cooking it again for the second time, and I will use this water to finish the cooking process. For the ingredients, I have 1 knor cube and I have 3 ripe plantains. This is my salt, and here is my oil. This is not palm oil guys, this is oil from my tomatoes too. And this is my red paprika, which is optional, my onion, 1 habanero pepper, this is my curry powder, and crayfish. I will start by washing and peeling the plantains and the other vegetables. Meanwhile, you can use palm oil to prepare this recipe. It's not a must that you will use 2 oil, but this oil that I got from my stew will take these beans to another level. So I'll be washing my plantains with some eddic. You can add salt to it. I will not be washing this thoroughly because I've washed it the day I bought it, because I bought it unripe, then I kept it to ripe. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, do thumb up this video, share out this video to your family, your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors, manda agbataobi gi. In fact, share this video to everywhere shareable. This ministry when I got to the permanent site. Thank you for doing that. Now I will peel and cut the plantain, and this is the size I will be cutting it. I will repeat the same process here, and I will finish up with the remaining one off camera. I will wash my onion and my bell pepper before I slice it as well. I will just take off this rotten place. Then I will take off the seed of the bell pepper. Then I will slice it. I will also be peeling my onion. I have noticed that each time I wash or soak my onion in water, it's so easy to peel off the skin. So you can try it as well. Now I will slice and dice my onion, and because I like seeing the onion and I love feeling the crunchiness of the onion in the beans, so I will be cutting it in a big chunk like so. Once I'm done slicing the onion, I will transfer it into a plate set aside and dice my paprika. Adding paprika to your beans is optional, guys. I'm just adding this paprika because I want it to give these beans another color, to make it colorful. And also, another reason I'm using this paprika is that the paprika is beginning to spoil, so I just want to make use of it right away. Once I'm done slicing it, I transfer it into a plate and slice the remaining one off camera. Then we move on to the next step. Right now, I will just pan my habanero pepper using my mortar and my pestle. But if you don't have mortar and pestle, you can use your kitchen knife and dice this. Or you can as well blend it with your blender. Once I'm done pounding it, I will take it out from my mortar. Meanwhile, my beans has been cooking for 10 minutes and is almost ready. So the next thing we do now is to start seasoning the beans. So let's check the beans first to see how far it has cooked. As you can see, the beans is almost 90% cooked. So we start adding the ingredients. I will first start with my plantain, and I will throw in my oil, my stew oil. You can use your palm oil. Now I follow it up with my blended crayfish. And after that, I will add my diced onion. Then the next thing I will be adding now is my habanero pepper. If you don't like hot or spicy food, you can use black pepper or white pepper. Now I will be putting my curry powder. I love the taste curry powder gives to my beans. I will also be throwing in my knor cube. You can use any bouillon of your choice or any seasoning cube of your choice. I will also be adding my salt. Add salt to taste. Then I will give this a stir. Now you have to make sure to stir very well so that the plantains will go down and the ingredients added will be evenly distributed with the sauce. Now after stirring, you can see the level of the water, almost the same level with the beans. Now we check for salt. If the salt is not enough to your taste bud, you can add a little. Then I will cover it and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, it's almost ready. But because I'll be adding my paprika, I will not be taking this out from the cooker. So I will just stir it again to make sure it's not burning. Do you see those onions? Oh my days, I can't wait to dive in. This is how I want these beans to come out. So I'll be adding my paprika now. And immediately I added my paprika, I will turn off the heat. I will give this a stir and allow this to cook for 30 seconds. Then I will take this out. Please take a second and thumb up this video if you have not done that. And I appreciate you for watching up to this extent. Consider sharing out the video as well. And if you are not yet a member of this family, please subscribe, okay? So here comes the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.